Hey everyone, welcome to my native place. This place is called Navaikulam and it is situated towards the north of Trivandrum district. Whenever I visit this place, it actually takes me back to the time when I was a little school going girl and I used to wait anxiously for a whole year so that during summer vacations I can visit my village. Growing up in a metro city, I would find the village life quite intriguing. And even now, I visit my village very often to be among my loved ones and enjoy the serenity of this place. And now, whenever I go, I try to take my kids along with me so that they can know their roots and have the same experiences that I had. I think connecting to their background will help them to have a clear perspective of who they are and will also help them establish a core identity of themselves, and that might help them in future. My yearly visits to my native place made me have a very strong bond with my people, and I want the same for my kids too. And these happy memories that they make, that will stay with them for a very long time. People here are self sufficient. Most of them grow their own crops. They also grow their vegetables and fruits for their daily requirement. Staying here also lets me experience the organic way of living. At least while I'm here, I can enjoy meals made out of chemical free vegetables straight out of the garden. And also, I can relish the local dishes made by my grandmother. I consider all this as my blessing. The lives of the people of my village revolves around this temple. This temple is the Shankara Narayana Swami temple. It is one of the oldest and the most ancient temples in Kerala. This temple has a combined deity form of half Shiva and half Vishnu. I am not a religious person and I don't believe in specific gods, but still I am very spiritual in nature. I like coming to the temple very often to enjoy the spiritual and peaceful atmosphere over here. And this place has an energy that fills me with positivity. It's a very calm and soothing feeling that I experience here, far from the crowded city life. Though fair development has taken place from the time I was a child, but still it remains fairly untouched by the rapid growth and the lifestyle of the city. And let me tell you, that's what I like about this place so much. And whenever I go back to my routine life, after a short stay at my village, I always make a promise to myself to come back again soon.